Hi everyone! Today it's a very short video of a restoration I've made to this Majorette Audi 90. Like all the beginnings, I will start by taking off the paint, drilling a hole and create new thread for the screw I'm going to put back at the end along with the base. I consider this type of restorations to be fairly easy, mainly because they involve only paint. So the first layer of paint will be a basic white, and afterwards it will be red color. I've also decided to paint the base in matching colors because with the Google images I saw, this car came with matching color in this area under the bumper. So therefore I've decided to paint the base as well. Here is the red color I'm using. It's a very bright red color. I will wait a while and then I will start detailing the surrounding area of the windows with some black color. For this type of detailing, I'm using this black marker. Using this black marker on the car's body lines is very easy, but I have to watch closely not to do any mistakes. I don't want to start all over again. So unfortunately, this process will be mostly off camera. Right now I'm painting the windows surrounding. It will give the car some dramatic change in looks. Another thing that will happen is that this car will look more realistic because of the details I'm adding, which weren't available at the original car. Here is another addition. In this car I'm going to paint the back lights and also the front lights. I'm using a silver color as a first coat of painting. Afterwards I'm adding some clear red and also clear orange color for the indicators and the taillights. The final touch I've made for this restoration is to lower the body a little bit. Therefore you see those plates glued inside the base. And here is a quick reminder of how this car looked before the restoration. And here it is right now. I'm not too sure if it is the red color I've chosen or the details I've added, but right now the car looks way better than it used to be. Please let me know what do you think about it. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, which was very short. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.